Mbere ya gutwika mugambithania Martha Koome ari wakili uria waizikene bunene gutetera kioto kia ekuru na mwana omwari rungu rwa gikundi kia FIDA ari mwekuru wa mbere ndene ya nthiguru ya Kenya gutwika mugambithania munene. Martha Koome ni arari na kibarua gikiumu kia igamba ria kithurano kia giti kia urais riria reikitwe ni mutongeria wa Azimio Raila Odinga. CJ Koome aciariri Meru na nethiritwe ari umwe wa ekuru bari negweta rinene ndene ya nthiguru yonthe naro ni rugono rwa nkathaije ya Kimeru.
I, Martha Karambu Koome.
Chief Justice Martha Koome aciarirwe mwaka jwa 1963 nturene ya Kithiu kaunti ya Meru. Niwe mwekuru wa mbere kugwata giti giki nyuma ya David Maraga gweta retire. Ni ari kinya mukariri giti wa Kenya Magistrate and Judges Association. Ari na ana bathatu na ni agwatite kithomo kiawe kia watho ndene ya University ya Nairobi na ya London.
Let us, as Kenyans, embrace the various methods of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. Let us live by the values that avoid conflict, that leads us to see each other as equal members of the society.
Martha ambiriria ngugi yawe ya wakili kiri Mathenge and Muchemi Advocates mbere yawe kwambiriria obisi yawe. Na kinya egitene rimwe ni ari mukariri giti wa kiama kia FIDA.
That guarantees and secures and protects the independence of the judiciary. We need to protect our children.
Martha Koome ni ainyiritie muno watho bwa mici kana family law. Ni athurirwe ari mugambithania ndene ya koti ya Biru iria akarite kwa miaka 8 mbere ya gutwika Chief Justice. Akaririkanwa ari umwe wa gambithania 13 baria bendaga giti giki kia mugambithania munene. Na tariki 19 mweri wa 5 mwaka muthiru aigwatira giti giki.
I was a council member in the Law Society. The former Chief Justice, Dr. Willy Mutunga, was my chairperson, and we participated in the clamor for the review of the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Ekoro na leadership ya ekoro tukiuga tugwiretwe muno nonto itokona ntuko hizi ekoro ibagochiomya muno na thirikari in a lot of confidence.
Martha Koome ni arari umwe wa gambithania mugwanja baria barathikairaga kesi iria iraikitio kotini ya kuregana na mpumi cha kithurano. Na nandi ni atonyete maukune ja kuririkanwa na gutumiria rais muthure ari William RUTO na ati kithurano kiagitirwe na njira ya uma na weru.
Declare the election of the first respondent as president-elect to be varied under Article 143 of the Constitution. This being a matter cutting across the public interest, we order that each party do bear their own costs. It is so ordered.
Na nandi Mumeru ne gwikumiria mwekuru kathetune ka Mumeru. Maureen Kinya, Wero TV.
Meru County. That is where I was born. My ethnicity is Meru.
Eta nambere na kurumira nteto